Homework is this preparation. You guys else having problems with the answer keys? Like they're not really working? Like they're not showing me the answers?
You know, I did notice that on.
All I know is that just like Diogenes, I got like every single one wrong because I was doing the percent at first, and then I did decimal, and then it worked. Is that what you're talking about?
No, I was on the answer key for like when you do like the homework assignment and then it gives you an answer key or
Yeah.
Oh,
like the homework aren't like showing any of the answers. So I'm like, I think this is right when I move forward.
Really?
Yeah, with the other stuff, yeah.
Oh no, mine's working.
Okay.
Let's see.
Awesome. Where's Diogenes? Diogenes? How do you pronounce his name?
Diogenes or something like that.
I said like I say it different every time I say it. For the record, if he doesn't come back on, he was on. His wife had a medical emergency. He was in our last meeting. He was on a few minutes ago before I started broadcasting. My bad. Let me see if I can get his.
Yeah, I think I have solutions on my answer key, I guess. So, yeah.
I guess we can just wait a little bit for him, and then if not, on the post that he was here when we initially started and we weren't able to broadcast.
Okay. I didn't feel like this week was too bad. Hello?
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. This is KG, by the way.
Right on. How you doing, man?
Good. Do you guys know how to turn this camera thing on?
Generally, there's a little button at the top. Like if you move your mouse around towards the top of the screen, there should be a little camera icon. So try
I'm on
clicking
my phone. That's why.
No.
Well, that's fine. I'll just deal with it. But yeah, I sent you guys an email last week. My group split apart, so I'm just joining you guys.
All right, that works for us.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
How was the homework for you guys this week?
It was okay. I thought it was easier than last week.
I didn't think it was. Yeah, we're supposed to do 5 and 6, right? On part 2.
Yeah.
Like.
Oh, there you go. Let's see if he's back. Thought he was.
Is it still not working?
No. You're back. I know that.
Are you back?
Hey, let me try sending a link.
So, no, this is working. It's broadcasting.
Oh, it is. Oh, sorry, I didn't even notice, guys.
Yeah. No, we just didn't hear from you, so we were waiting around hoping it worked out for you. No.
It is. I hit my modem and it unplugged it and it had to reboot.
Oh. All right. All right. Do you guys want to get started?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So with the homework, did anybody have any issues with it? Any questions?
Like I said, I got them all wrong.
Oh yeah.
So we figured it out, right?
Yeah, it's decimals, not whole numbers. But
yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the same thing the first time I took it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That
should
was
we just
pretty
get
cool.
started?
Well, this was super easy, good. And then I was like, what? So
So did you guys do questions 5 and 6 then? We're supposed to do that as in our group.
5 and 6. Let me open this up actually.
Homework. That's what it says according to the instructions. It says on part 2, you will finish this part out during your group presentation session. You guys might have done it.
I haven't done 5 and 6, but 5 and 6 are relatively.
Yeah,
They're pretty simple, and they're a lot like the example. I mean, they're identical as the reading and the preparation.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, we can go through them if anybody needs to, or no problem.
So
Yeah, it says if we have any questions, then we can go over it. But if no one has any questions, then I say we just go to the quiz.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the quiz
Yeah,
may
let's
take
go
a
to the quiz.
little bit longer
Okay.
unless somebody needs to.
Okay, if we're all on the same page.
Yeah,
Yeah, everybody's good, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, let's just go to the quiz.
Yeah,
There's nothing in the instructions, right? Like nothing we need to have out for this quiz.
I don't think so. All right, let's go.
So with the quiz, we do our own work, right? Or how does that work? Because this is pretty much the first time I'm actually meeting with a group.
So we just go through the question by questions, and then we make sure we all have this. So
Yeah,
like we're allowed to work with each other to get the answer.
Ah, gotcha. Cool.
Yeah, it makes it pretty simple.
I put true for number 2. I don't know about you guys.
I think it's fall. Is it false? Are you sure it's true?
okay, let's see what we got here.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Who wants to get started on question 3 then?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, the bullet time.
Blood types.
Who can define probability distribution? To see if that's what it is.
Okay. I'm looking for my definitions.
Yeah.
Probabilities follow patterns called probability distributions, or distributions for short. Now, there are 3 rules that a probability distribution must follow.
Well, then it's going to follow those. It looks like it follows those 3 rules.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I would say true.
Yeah, same here.
True it is.
Okay.
All right.
Now 4.
Hey guys, would one of you guys mind reading out loud the questions? Just because since I'm gonna jump up soon, I didn't open it because I don't want to leave it open and if it's just I'll just do it later. But I want to
yeah.
I want to contribute to the group
yeah,
right now. Does that work,
That works,
guys? And sorry, the only reason I'm jumping off, so my wife can't carry the babies, and we have 2 of them, and right now they're with her, bothering her, except one is walking in and out. So that's kind of what I'm just.
Got you.
Sure.
If you guys read them out loud, because I want to participate. I don't want to just sit in the back. So.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
so there's a table that talks about blood type. There's blood types it's O, A, B, and AB. There's 4 blood types that's generally associated with the population of America. and there's a proportion. So O proportion is 0.45, A is 0.40, B is 0.1104. Not that you'll remember all that, but that's what the table is.
Yeah.
I was asking, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood?
So you just take the probability of that one.
0.11.
Of O, so it's 0.45. And probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood. So that should be.
That's the sum of the other ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be 0.55, right?
Yeah.
All right, who wants to read the next scenario?
I can do it. Okay, so it says Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. And that was long.
And then the question asks if the dogs guess at random that what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient. So at 0.167.
I got.
You agree?
Wait, how much did you get? 0.167?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Just 1 divided by 6?
Yep.
I'm not sure because I couldn't think of the numbers fast enough, guys. I'm starting to write them down. Work out. So.
All right.
That.
Are we all agree to that?
Yep.
Okay. Who wants to read the next one?
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? So, 1, this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. 2, there is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
I would say the first one.
The first one sounds more like it to me.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with that.
Wait, hey guys, just a quick question. Sorry to interrupt. But yes, I agree with you guys about the first one. With the question number 6, I mean, because we did 1 divided by 6, but I mean, there's 7 bowls, so wouldn't it be 1 divided by 7?
Oh, sorry, you were right about that.
Oh, there's 7? I thought there was 6.
No, so there were 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer, but there are 7 bowls in total.
Oh, so it's
yeah, because you're right about
0, 1, 4,
3.
Yeah.
If we round it to 3 decimals.
Yeah, okay. Sorry
about
that. I thought it was 6.
And KG drops the mic. Boom.
That's right.
I'm gonna log out now.
All right. Right.
KG, I'm glad your other group didn't work out now.
Yeah, we tried meeting like Mondays and Wednesdays at 7:30, but everybody was bailing, so we just decided to do our own thing.
That worked out. Well, we're pretty so far so good with our group.
Yeah, no, it's been working out all right.
All right, so we're in question 8 then.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Who wants to read out loud?
I'll read it. Just the one about M&Ms, right?
Yeah.
M&Ms are small chocolate candies. Can you believe it? The color in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, you can read these aloud for. How do you say your last name again? I want to make sure I get it right. Diogenes?
Yeah, it's Diogenes.
Diogenes. Okay, I'll remember that.
Yeah, that's the first name. My last name is Gallegos.
Oh my word, that sounds great. I can get Diogenes. That's easy enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so as far as the proportions go, I'll read those out real quick. So the colors in the M&Ms of the M&Ms in the bag. For the brown, the proportion is 0.13. Yellow is 0.14. Red 0.13. Blue 0.24. Orange 0.20. And maybe there's no greens because it's marked out. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored?
0.13.
Yeah.
0.13, yeah.
I got.
And the next question is, what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? And I got. What did you guys get?
I got 0.16.
Yeah,
Okay.
0.6. You guys subtracted it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Or you can add them all up too, but yeah.
Either way.
Perfect.
Hey guys, sorry to keep muting me, but my baby's over here playing, making a lot of noise, and so
Me good.
doing it.
My baby's crying in the background too. I don't know. The next one is what's the probability that candy is not green? So it's just the opposite. So 0.84, right?
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Okay, I can read the next scenario. It says the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from kpex.com. The following summary of statistics were calculated. Mean to 24.3, variance 18.6, minimum 14. And then I forgot what the Q stands for in this.
A quarter, like it's quart.
The first quarter of
Two, three.
Quartiles.
Yeah,
yeah, quartiles.
Sorry. And maximum 35, interquartile range 5.
Okay.
Okay. So 24, right? Should be the median.
Yeah. Yep. Should be 24. Yep.
Okay. So 24.3.
No, that's the mean. We want the median, which is 20. Yeah, I believe. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Because that's 50% down. Yeah.
Yeah.
25 scored above.
I put 27. So
Yep.
above.
Yep.
Yeah.
Above Q3.
Yeah.
Above the Q3. Probability. The probability is higher than that. So I got the third one, C, as the one that's not a number. I mean, not a rule. And sorry, question 13. Question. Are we on question 13?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? Answer A would be the probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur, which is true. That's a rule. B, the probability is a number between 0 and 1. That's the very first rule. C, if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. That is not a rule, so that's my answer.
Negative. Right.
Question.
Yeah, I think
The sum of the probability and any possibility is 1, which is a rule. It's obviously C.
cool.
All right.
Yay, we got 100.
All right.
Hey guys, are you guys serious? Because I'm still in the. I should have just opened my quiz. I didn't know how long it was going to take. Because last time it took us a long time. I should have just done it right along with it. Gosh.
It's
You
okay.
can
you
always
actually
just,
didn't
watch
even
it.
do
Now
the
you know
example.
that we're good, right?
Yeah, that's And next video, we'll be like, "Oh, it'll be short," and it'll be forever. And I'll be like, "Gosh, dang it, I'll have to finish it later."
Yeah. You're good, man. All right. Well, I guess we're good we're good for Thursday, right? 8 o'clock or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All
You guys
right.
in?
Yeah, for sure.
Hey guys, on Thursday, I don't know what it'll be. Like I said, it's just so my wife and I live away from family, and so it's just her and I right now. So we'll see. We're gonna have some family members when we come out, so it just makes it. She can't pick up or carry the kids for like 2 weeks, and so it makes it kind of hard. So I might have the babies with me making noise or something like that. Just kind of, if you guys can just bear with me for the next 2 weeks, and then
Yeah.
I'll get on track. So.
Gotcha.
big deal.
No worries.
So
I'm pretty sure most of us have kids, so we're good.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys.
appreciate it.
Appreciate
it.
Yeah.
You guys.
Bye, everyone.
I'll email the link, if need be.
I
Thank-
appreciate it.
All right. See you guys.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thanks. See you guys.
Good night.
Bye.